everyone, a very warm welcome to you all in my channel once again. So आज का जो वीडियो है वो basically based on an announcement which has been made by Indian government's cabinet on 25th of May 2021. आज की वीडियो में I will discuss what was that announcement. Mark my words, this announcement is a historical announcement in regards to the CMA course and CS course. This particular announcement is going to give the boost to the CMA fraternity in the future and in the international market. So आज का जो announcement है वो एक प्रेस नोट के रूप में CMA इंस्टीट्यूट के वेबसाइट पे आया हुआ है. So this particular announcement is like a slap to all those people जो बोलते हैं कि CMA course is not that worthy, CS course is not that worthy, but this particular announcement is going to give lot of global recognition to both the courses. So let me read the press note. आपको भी ये प्रेस नोट CS इंस्टीट्यूट एंड CMA इंस्टीट्यूट के वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल मिल जाएगा. सो द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रेस नोट इज कैबिनेट अप्रूव्स मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंटर्ड इनटू बाय द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट of India with 4 foreign professional accountancy body on organization. Memorandum of understanding is like a mutual understanding जो दो countries या फिर दो particular parties के बीच में होता है. CMA Institute and CS Institute has signed these understanding and cabinet has approved these understanding. So let me read the press note. The cabinet chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has granted ex post facto approval to the memorandum. Ex post facto approval means now onward. इसके बाद इसका जो recognition है जो MOU entered into by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India with 4 foreign professional accountancy bodies / organizations means इसके बाद from 25th of May onward 25th of May the recognition will be given and this particular press note will gonna give the mutual recognition to both the courses CS and CMA in the international market. And in the international market it says in the UK and in Sri Lanka and in Australia, these 3 countries having their 4 bodies, 4 educational organization which is going to give the recognition to CMA course and CS course equivalent to their courses. Let me read the names of the bodies. One is the Institute of Public Accountants IPA which is of Australia. Chartered Institute for Securities and Investment, this is of UK. Chartered Institute of Public Finance and Accountancy, this is of UK also. And the Institute of Certified Management Accountants of Sri Lanka. So these 3 countries, and we know Australia and UK is such a developed country, and getting this kind of an opportunity from doing a single course that is CMA in India is a very big opportunity for all those who are doing it and all the CMA fraternity people. So this is actually a very big announcement, so I thought that I should share this particular announcement with you all so that all the CMA aspirant gets the motivation to do this course, and all the CMA members, institutes member should also feel proud of themselves. Anyone who has did the courses in the UK, Australia and in Sri Lanka from those 4 organizations and institutes, they will also get the same recognition here in India. So this is like a vice versa thing. So हुआ ना ये अच्छा news for every CMAs and CSs. Please do subscribe my channel if you like the video. Please do like and please do share it with everybody who is willing to join the CMA course, and please share with all those people who think that CMA is not a worthy course so that they can understand what is the worth right now the CMA has. Thank you for watching this video and bye bye.